Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of changing the brake pads on your Audi Q7. Before we begin, safety is paramount, so please ensure you have all the necessary tools and safety equipment ready. This includes a reliable jack, a lug wrench, a torque wrench, and of course, your new brake pads. Having everything prepared makes the job much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Once your Audi Q7 is securely lifted and the wheel is off, the next step is to access the brake components. You'll need to disconnect the brake wear sensor, which is usually a small electrical connector. Then, carefully unbolt the caliper mounting bolts. With these removed, you can gently slide out the old, worn brake pads. Take a moment to inspect the rotor for any significant wear or damage at this point. Now for the exciting part, installing your brand new brake pads. First, give the caliper a good clean and apply a thin layer of brake grease to the contact points to prevent squealing. Next, use a caliper piston compressor to gently push the pistons back into the caliper body. This creates space for your thicker new pads. Carefully insert the new pads, reattach the caliper, reconnect the wear sensor, and tighten all bolts to their specified torque settings. With the new pads installed, it's time for the final steps. Reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Audi Q7. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotors. Also, check your brake fluid reservoir and add fluid if necessary. Finally, take your vehicle for a cautious test drive in a safe area, listening for any unusual noises and ensuring the brakes feel responsive and effective. Congratulations, you've done it!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.